warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for watching this is presentation video. My name is Iva Fauzia Aisha with student ID 333 33 24 00 52. And in this video, I want to explain about the tenses aspect. Especially progressive aspect, perfect aspect, and perfect progressive aspect. I will also explain about the from material error analysis in this video. Okay, let's start this presentation. First, let me explain a little bit about tenses and aspect. In English grammar, tenses is used to show the time of an action like past, present, and future. Meanwhile, aspect explain how the action happens. For example, whether the action is still continue, already finished, or still connect to the present situation. In this presentation, I will focus on three aspects: progressive aspect, perfect aspect, and perfect progressive aspect. Progressive aspect. First, I will explain the progressive aspect. According to George Illich, the progressive aspect is used to show an action or situation that is still happening at certain time. It focuses on activities that are still in progress and not finished yet. In the daily life, we often use the progressive aspect in conversation, news, and social media because it sounds more natural and active. The grammar patterns are present progressive aspect, subject plus to be, am, is, or are plus verb in. Example, she is studying grammar in the library. Okay, next, past progressive, subject plus was or were plus verb in. Example, they were discussing the project during the meeting. Future progressive, subject plus will be plus verb in. Example, I will be working on my assignment tonight. Okay, next, present perfect progressive, subject has or have been plus verb in. Example, we have been learning English for 3 hours. The function of the progressive aspect is to show ongoing action, temporary situation, or gradual change. For example, in the BBC News sentence, okay, look, the Norwegian archipelago is warming quicker than any other place on Earth. The parasite is swimming uses the present progressive pattern because it shows ongoing change that is still happening now. The meaning is that of the area is continuously getting warmer because of climate change. Another example is the authorities claim they are moving towards renewable energy. The parasite are moving also shows a process that is still developing and not finished yet. Next, let's move on to another material. Next, I will explain the perfect aspect. According to Betty Safarver-Ajar, the perfect aspect is used to connect past action with the present or another point in time. Usually, it focuses on completed action or experience that still have an effect now. The grammar patterns are present perfect, subject plus has or have verb 3. Example, she has finished her homework. Past perfect, subject plus had plus verb 3. Example, they had left before the class start. Future perfect, subject plus will have plus verb 3. Example, by next year, he will have graduated from university. The perfect aspect is used to show complicated action that are still related to the present. For example, the new discovery has changed the story of Stonehenge. The parasite has changed is present perfect. It means that discovery already changed people's understanding and the effect is still important now. Another example, scientists have discovered new evidence about Stonehenge. The parasite have discovered so that the discovery happened recently and is still relevant to current research. Okay, let's move. Besides explaining the aspect, this presentation also includes grammar error analysis. This is before and this is after. Let's read together. Okay, original versions. This one, last week Rina is attending a grammar class where the lecturer explained the tenses aspect system in detail. He said that tenses in show time while aspect is describing how an action happened. Rina had read the material before she comes to class, but she still not understood everything clearly. While the lecturer was talk, some students are asking questions and others was taking notes. By the end of the session, the lecturer had gave many examples, and Rina feel more confidence, although she still has confused about some parts of the lesson. Okay, this is correct questions. Last week, Rina attended a grammar class where the lecturer explained the tenses aspect system in detail. He said that tenses show time, while aspect describe how an action happens. Rina had read the material before she came to class, but she still did not understand who's talking. Some students were asking questions and others were taking notes. By the end of the session, the lecturer had given many examples, and Rina feel more confident, although she still feel confused about some part of the lesson. Error analysis from the tenses aspect system. Okay. Original is attending. The correct person was attending. Why? Past time marker last week required past question. For the reason you can read in here the table I found. Yes. Explain. The correct is explained. Say. The correct is said. Is saw. The correct sentence is saws. Is describing. The correct sentence is describes. Happen. The correct sentence is happens. Have read. The correct sentence is have read. Come. The correct sentence is come. Did not understood. The correct person did not understand. And has confused. The correct person is confused. Okay, next for the story original person ya. Yesterday Andy was sitting in the classroom while the lecturer is explaining the progressive aspect. The lecturer said that this aspect is used to describe action that are happening now or at the moment of speaking. While Andy is listening, his friend was talking and are not paying attention. One student is said that he is not understanding the lesson because he is did not focusing. The lecturer was give more example and is trying to make the explanation clearly, but some students are still confused about the topic. The correct question. Yesterday, Andy was sitting in the classroom while the lecturer was explaining the progressive aspect. The lecturer said this aspect is used to describe action that are happening now or at the moment of speaking. While Andy was listening, his friend were talking and were not paying attention. One student said that he not understand the lesson because he was not focusing. The lecturer was giving more example and was trying to make the explanation clearly, but some students were still confused about the topic. The error analysis progressive aspect. Error was sitting. Correct was sitting. And is explaining was explaining. Say said is used is listening. Was listening, was talking, were talking, are not playing, were not playing, is saying, did not focusing, did not focus, is still confused, are still confused. Okay, the reason you can read in my background. Okay, next, perfect aspect. The original, Siti is studying the perfect aspect for her grammar exam last night. She has finished her homework before she has go to sleep. But she is still confused about some example. Her lecturer has explained the topic many times, yet Siti didn't understand it completely. She said that she have some similar sentences in her textbook, but she still didn't know how to use them correctly. By the time she finished studying, she has made some progress, although she still has not really understood the lesson. Okay, the correct person. Siti was studying the perfect aspect for her grammar exam last night. She had finished her homework before she went to sleep, but she still confused about some example. Her lecturer had explained this topic many times, yet Siti did not understand it completely. She said that she has been familiar sentence in her textbook, but she still didn't know how to use them correctly. By the time she finished studying, she had made some progress, although she still had not fully understood the lesson. Okay, you can read. She is studying. Correct person who studying has finished. Correct finish has finished said. Go. Correct person went. Feel. The correct person feels. Has explained. The correct person has explained it. Did not understood to be correct person. Did not understand. Have saw. Correct person have seen. Didn't know. Correct person didn't know. Finished studying. The correct person had finished studying, has not fully understood. Has not fully understood. Okay, you can read the reason, and if my not clearly, you can read in my background. Okay, next, progressive aspect. The original version. This week, Budi has been studying this perfect progressive aspect in his class. His lecturer had been explaining the topic Science Monday, but Budi still did not understand it well. He has been trying to complete the exercise for hours, but he's not getting the correct answers yesterday. He said has been worked on the same task all day, but he still can't stop it. The lecturer was giving more explanation and has been encouraging students to participate more, so they are improving their understanding over time. Okay, the correct person. This week, Budi has been studying the perfect progressive aspect in his class. His lecturer has been explaining the topic since Monday, but Buddy still does not understand it well. He has been trying to complete the exercise for hours, but he is not getting the correct answer. Yesterday he said that he had been working on the same text all day, but he still could not solve it. The lecturer was giving more explanation and has been encouraging the student to practice more so they are improving their understanding over time. The error analysis for perfect progressive aspect have been studied. Correct person has been studying. Example is here, and the explanation is here, and reason have been explained. Correct person has been explaining. Do not understand. Correct person does not understand. Has been tried. Correct person has been trying. Is not getting. Correct person is not getting. He has been worked. The correct person, the correct sentence. He has been working. Cannot solve it. Correct person cannot solve. Was giving. Correct person was giving. Has been encouraging. Correct person has been encouraging. Okay, are improving. The correct sentence is will improve. Okay. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching this presentation and see you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.